Welcome to English is a piece of cake, your channel to improve English. Today we will present A Day in Tokyo, Learning Greetings in English. In the bustling streets of Tokyo, where neon lights sparkle and the scent of delicious ramen fills the air, a curious boy named Ken was excited. Today, his school was hosting an exchange program and students from around the world were visiting. Ken was eager to meet them, but felt nervous about one thing: speaking English. As Ken walked through the park to meet the visitors, he saw a girl with blonde hair looking at the cherry blossoms. She looked lost. Ken decided to be brave. "Hello," Ken said with a big smile. The girl turned around and smiled back. "Hi, my name is Emily. What's your name?" Ken hesitated for a moment, but remembered what his teacher had taught him. "My name is Ken. Nice to meet you." "Nice to meet you too, Ken," Emily said, shaking his hand. Ken felt more confident now. "Where are you from?" he asked. "I'm from Australia." "And you?" "I'm from France. But I'm currently studying in Tokyo." "Welcome to Japan." Emily laughed. "Thank you. Tokyo is amazing." Just then, a boy named Hiro joined them. He greeted them with a cheerful, "Good morning." Emily waved and said, "Good morning, Hiro." Ken noticed something interesting. Different greetings worked in different situations. When Emily had arrived, she said hi, but Hiro used "good morning." As they continued walking, Ken decided to practice more. At a small sushi restaurant, the chef greeted them warmly. "Hello, how are you today?" Ken replied, "I'm fine, thank you." "How are you?" The chef chuckled. "I'm great, thank you. Enjoy your sushi." After eating, they stopped at a souvenir shop. The cashier greeted them with a polite, "Good afternoon." "How can I help you?" Emily responded, "Good afternoon." "We're just looking, thank you." The day flew by as they explored temples, parks, and shops. By evening, the group found themselves on a rooftop garden, watching the Tokyo skyline glow. It was time to say goodbye to Emily and the other exchange students. Ken waved at Emily and said, "Goodbye. Have a safe trip." Emily smiled. "Goodbye, Ken. Take care." Ken wanted to try another way he'd learned to say goodbye. "See you soon." Emily laughed. "See you soon, Ken." As Emily walked away, Hiro turned to Ken. "You're getting really good at English greetings and goodbyes." Ken grinned. "Thanks, Hiro. I just need to practice more." That night, as Ken walked home, he repeated the phrases in his head. "Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. How are you? Nice to meet you. Goodbye. See you soon. Take care." Ken realized that learning a new language was like exploring Tokyo itself, full of excitement and surprises at every